methods how to find the equation of a line. The first one is using the point-slope form, pero bago yun, kukunin natin si slope. The second one is using the two-point form, which is iyon talaga yung dapat na ginagamit. So first, we need to write the form. So we have y minus y sub 1 is equal to, then write the formula to find the slope. Okay, multiplied by the quantity of x minus x sub 1. Then after that, step 2, we need to put a label here. When we say point, it is composed of x and y. Dahil dalawa yung points natin, maglalagay tayo ng dalawang x and y. And then, write the first point as 1, 1, 2, 2. So this will be the value of x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and y sub 2. Then after that, substitute na po natin. Take note na. Pag nag-substitute po tayo, yung y natin at yung x, ito po yung hindi natin papalitan. Kasi ito po yung variable na gagamitin natin. So meaning, si y at si x, breakdown lang po yan. Then yung remaining na terms, yan lang po yung papalitan ng value. Okay, minus, what is y sub 1? 6 is equal to y sub 2, 4, minus y sub 1, 6, over x sub 2, negative 3, minus x sub 1, 2. And then, minus, what is x sub 1 again? 2. So, after natin ma-substitute lahat ng value, our next step is to simplify. So, begin tayo dito sa ating slope. Okay, then the remaining terms, just bring down lang po. Okay, what is the sign of 4? Positive. How about 6? So, same and like. Add or subtract? Subtract. So, 6 minus 4. Okay, 2. What is the sign of the bigger number? So, copy the sign of 6. Over, what is the sign of 3? Negative, and 2 is also plus minus. Plus. Very good. 3 plus 2. 5. And copy the sign of the two numbers. Then after that, anak, dito pa lang pwede na natin isimplify yung sign. So, kapag both negative, negative divided by negative is, so magiging positive na po ito. And take note, kapag ang ating slope ay fraction, what we're going to do? Okay, what we're going to do if the slope is fraction? We have to multiply both sides of the equation by the denominator. That is the proper way. Pero ang shortcut na ito, anak, ay para hindi na tayo mag-multiply, okay, what we're going to do is we need to transpose na lang. Transpose the denominator to the left side. Pero take note, pag nilipat natin sa denominator, hindi mababago yung sign yan. Kasi nag-transpose tayo ng denominator. So this will become 5. Then yung remaining term dito, kakatyanin lang po yan. Ilalagay sa loob ng parenthesis. And then yung remaining term dito sa right side, kakatyanin lang po yan. Do you understand? Equal lang po ang nakukuha nating answer kung mag-multiply tayo by 5. Okay, since meron tayong parenthesis, ibig sabihin, i-multiply natin yung monomial sa binomial. Ganun din po dito sa right side. Okay, distribute 5 times y, 5y. 5 times negative 6, negative 30. Is equal to 2 times x, 2x. 2 times negative 2, negative 4. Then after that, combined like terms. So what are like terms? Negative 30 and negative 4. We need to transpose what? Okay, 4 po ba? Okay, we need to transpose negative 30 to the right side of the equation. Now, what will be the sign of 30? Magiging positive na po yan. Then the remaining terms, anak, just copy lang po. Then simplify first the given constant. So what is the sign of 4? Sign of 30. Same and like. Add or subtract. So 30 minus 4. And what is the sign of 26? Positive. Then after that, do you think this is already the answer? No pa. No po. Bakit? Okay, kasi po meron pa tayong numerical coefficient ni y. So to eliminate 5, we're going to divide both sides by what? Very good, by 5. Cancel. So this will become y is equal to 2 over 5x plus 26 over 5. So therefore, this is the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. Now, after getting the equation of a line in slope-intercept form, our next step is to rewrite the given slope-intercept to standard form. So, paano po natin i-rewrite yan as standard form? Ililipat po yung x, which is 2 over 5x to the left side of the equation. Now, what will be the sign of 2 over 5? This will become negative. Then, ano magiging sign ni y? Okay, plus y is equal to 26 over 5. 5. O anong rule natin sa standard form? Okay, meron tayong 2 rules. Kapag standard ang hinahanap, yung unang rule, kailangan anak si letter A, positive. Positive po ba? Okay. Second rule, kailangan si letter A ay whole number. Whole number po ba? Now, what we're going to do? Para maging whole number yan, multiply both side by the denominator. Paano maging positive to? Multiply both side by negative. Meaning, just simply multiply both side by negative 5. Copy the denominator and then same sign. Kasi po, negative times negative, magiging positive na siya. And then 5 times 2, 10 divided by 5. Okay, naging whole number na siya. 2x na po yan. Naintindihan po. Next, negative times positive. Negative. 5 times 1. 5, 1. Is equal to negative times positive. Negative. 26 times 5, 130. Divided by 5, 26. Or just simply cancel si 5. Anong natira? 26. So therefore, this is already the standard form of the given 2 points